Hey, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair out of Mobile, Alabama. And I just want to say that I'm so excited to be coming to Columbus, Mississippi on Saturday, February the 5th. I'm looking forward to coming to do a business credit building workshop with you guys. So make sure you bring your laptops because we're going to do a little work. The reason I'm doing this workshop is, well, number one, because Miss Monica asked me to. And number two, I just want to make sure that small businesses, entrepreneurs, and people who getting ready to start business, that you start off on the right track. It's nothing worse than, you going through thinking you got everything set up correctly, think you got everything built correctly, and then when you get ready to go for funding or for credit, you get denied and you wonder why, and you want to give up on your dream of having a business or starting a business. So don't get discouraged. I want to meet you so we can make sure that you have the proper tools you need, that you are doing the proper steps that you need to do to accomplish what you set out to do. So this workshop is going to be on Saturday, February the 5th at the Courtyard Marriott at 1995 6th Street in Columbus, Mississippi. And I hope to see you there. If you need to reach out to me before then and ask me anything about the workshop, you can do so at 833-522-0200, or you can contact Miss Monica. She's at area code 662-364-8482. And you can also register for the course. You can go to bit.ly, that's bit.ly// Dr. Monica Harris. And I hope to see everybody there, and I'm looking forward to being there.